Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you are connected to a remote computer via AnyDesk but cannot hear any audio or media playing on the other end, the software's audio transmission settings are likely misconfigured or muted. I will show you exactly how to enable the sound across your connection right now. Let's get started. First, we need to ensure the computer you are controlling is actually allowed to broadcast its sound. On the remote computer, open AnyDesk, click the four-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Navigate to the Audio tab on the left sidebar. Under the Transmission section, make sure it is set to Standard Audio Device, or explicitly select the specific sound card currently in use. This forces the remote machine to actively capture its internal audio and send it over the network. Next, you must verify that your local computer is configured to receive and play that incoming audio stream. Open the AnyDesk application on your own computer, go back to the Settings menu, and open the Audio tab just like before. This time, look under the Output section and ensure it is set to your preferred speakers or headphones rather than being disabled. This step tells AnyDesk exactly which audio device to use to play the sound once it reaches your machine. Finally, even if your global settings are correct, the audio might be blocked by the active session's live permissions. Look at the AnyDesk toolbar at the top of your remote control window and find the audio icon, which looks like a small speaker. Make sure there is no slash through it, as clicking this icon will instantly toggle the sound on and off. Additionally, if a user on the remote end had to manually accept your connection request, ensure they actually enabled the Hear Sound Profile permission before clicking Accept. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials.